know I love you like I love myself. Just know I love you like there's no one else. Time is of the essence, I could die, so this is critical.
So the next song on the stream, is going to be by Sister Machine Gun, and the song is called Snake. These are some really interesting names. Let's do it. Okay, I didn't expect it to go this way. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Hello.
I got to be in my mind, there's a thing that I cannot see, but never mind, I gotta run, gotta get around, move it too, so never think about anything.
Stop, wait. It's too much going on. First it started off, then that came in, I'm like, what? Okay. This is gonna be another roller coaster song.
I can fuck up, it'll get me, yeah, I never will think about coming
How
down
is
back,
all of this
got money
working
on my mind, and I guess I just can't see
That's
what
what I want to know.
it's done to me. It's my life, and I'll do what I want to, it's my life.
How is this working together? I like this.
Got the money on my mind and the monkey on my back, and I never did think about nothing I lack. All is living in the back of my mind where I just can't see, and the motherfucker's coming right down on me. Got to get a little peace of mind in the middle of the bitch, and it's hard to find when I think it's a condition that I'm in. The motherfucker's coming again. It's my life and I'll be what I want to. It's my life and you never will see. It's my life and I do what I got to. Nobody can do what the body can't see.
This is oh my gosh. I'm just so lost. I'm like, how is all of this working together? That's what's getting me. I'm like, I don't know how they literally like. I do not know how they got it, but oof. people they hype and they just like, or like some kind of spy movie. They be like, come on, y'all can see it. I know y'all see it. If y'all say y'all don't see it, y'all lying. Oh, that was so good. Oh, I like that. It just gives like spy movie like. Don't it just seem like or like it start off to the side? Come on, look, y'all know y'all here. Wait, look, I know I'm not tripping. Hold on. What? Come on, man, put me, man, nah. Come on, y'all can't say y'all ain't see that, man, nah. Man, let me write a movie. It's song gonna be up in it. Y'all everybody who doubting what I'm saying right now, y'all all gonna regret it. That's all I'm gonna say. For people who doubting it, y'all gonna regret it. Cause I feel like I just pulled that off. But whatever. This song was amazing. I enjoyed the shifts in it, and I think even though I feel like the way I showed y'all my example was good, cause I already know some of y'all gonna be in the comments. Oh, I don't know about that. Oh, okay. You know what I mean? Like, if y'all see that y'all don't believe in my thoughts. I see people on the live laughing and stuff. But you know what? Watch when I make a movie become big. Y'all better eat those words and remember. And if anybody in the comments on this video is gonna say you can't see it, well, I can. Oh. Anyway, great song.
When I can't sleep at night, got all these dreams to fight. I know it's angels on my back, but I can't see the light. Got all these demons on me, I know they scheming on me. Heard a shout coming from the distance, the reaper screaming for me. Yeah, but I got purpose, so I can't go. I know the devil cursed my